This might not look dramatic to anyone else. No big breakdown, no dramatic resignation story, no rock bottom moment where everything fell apart. But one quiet realization changed everything for me, and it was this: I don't think stability alone is enough for me anymore. That thought felt terrifying because from the outside, everything looked fine. I had the responsible life, the predictable path, the kind of life people call successful. And yet, something in me kept whispering, is this it? I think a lot of women experience this but don't say it out loud because when life looks okay, you almost feel guilty wanting more. Like, shouldn't I be grateful? I have a stable income. People would love to be where I am. Am I being unrealistic? And that guilt keeps so many women stuck because we've been conditioned to believe that wanting more means being dissatisfied. But wanting more doesn't mean you're ungrateful, it means you're growing. That realization changed how I saw everything because I started understanding something. Stability is not the same as fulfillment. You can be safe and still feel stuck. You can be successful and still feel empty. You can be high functioning and deeply connected from yourself. And that was the shift. Maybe your life looks polished too. Maybe you're the woman everyone sees as doing well, the dependable one, the capable one, the one with the title, the one who solves problems, the one who keeps everything moving. But quietly, you're exhausted. You're pouring into everyone else. You're building someone else's dream every single day. And somewhere along the way, you stop asking what you wanted. That's the dangerous part. Not because your job is bad, but because comfort can become a cage. And cages don't always look painful. Sometimes they look like benefit packages, predictable paychecks, promotions, titles, external validation. Here's what changed my life. I stopped asking, how do I stay comfortable? And started asking, what do I actually want to create? That question changes everything because once you ask it honestly, you can't unhear the answer. Maybe your answer is freedom, flexibility. Maybe it's financial abundance. Maybe it's ownership, impact, or maybe it's simply waking up excited again. But whatever it is, it matters. And pretending it doesn't won't make it disappear. Here's something important. Most women don't stay stuck because they lack ambition. They stay stuck because they overvalue certainty. And I deeply understand that. I understand that deeply because certainty feels safe, but growth rarely starts there. Every meaningful shift in life starts with uncertainty. Starting a business, uncertain. Changing careers, uncertain. Becoming a different version of yourself, very uncertain. But staying where you are while ignoring your potential, that has a cost too. A huge one. And we don't talk enough about the cost. The cost of staying small, the cost of self abandonment, the cost of waiting 5 more years, the cost of becoming resentful, the cost of wondering, what if? Imagine yourself 3 years from now. Same routine, same frustration, same internal conflict. Still saying, maybe next year. How does that feel? Now imagine yourself 3 years from now having started, not perfect, not all figured out, but moving, learning, growing, building. Now, who feels lighter? That answer tells you everything. The realization that changed my life wasn't dramatic. It was quiet, simple, but powerful. I wanted more than just stable, and once I admitted that, everything began to shift. So, if you've been feeling this quietly too, this is your reminder. Wanting more does not make you reckless. It does not make you selfish. It does not make you unrealistic. It makes you honest. And honesty is where transformation begins. Friends, if this hit home, send me the word more, because I promise you, you are not the only woman feeling this.